Hi guys, my name is seundigital. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually make up to $20 in a month for free. Nothing. You're not doing anything this time around. This is absolutely for free. Guys, if today is the first time joining my channel, I just want to thank you so much for coming around to watch my video. And if you're part of the family, you are a returning subscriber, I just want to say thank you also for coming to watch my video. All right guys, so let's dive into the video where I'll show you how to make at least $22 every month doing nothing on your phone. So with this app, you can actually make $22 every month. You are not doing anything. Now I'm going to explain everything to you guys. So if this kind of video you're looking for online to make money, then this channel is for you, because I always dish out a lot of video on how you can make money online. And let's dive into the video. Now let me read through, then we're going to talk about how you can sign up, and I'm going to show you how to sign up, and I'm also going to log into my account for you to see within the few period that I've started with this application. All right guys, so passive income effortlessly with Honeygain. You can make money by simply sharing your internet. Start earning now. All right, it's simply sharing your. Let's see this video for you to see just how it works, although it's a short video, and just like illustration on how it works. So simply means that when you install this app on your phone, it automatically when you're on the bus, you're in a vehicle, whatever you are, this app share necessary things online and using your data, using your internet. Okay, using your, not directly your Airtel. No, that's not what I mean. Your internet, the database, that's what it does. It shares it to people, and the more it shares to people, the more money you are making with this application. Okay, you can see this guy has his phone in his pocket, and he turn on the Honeygain, and Honeygain is working, doing all of things. So if you go down, we're still going to read more about it. All right, the more connection you have, the more money you are making. Maybe you connect your phone to Honeygain, you connect your laptop to Honeygain, you can actually make more money for yourself. All right, let's go down. Easy way to earn passive income. Okay, start earning with Honeygain and use the money to pay for a streaming platform subscription, unlock exclusive content on free-to-play video games, or simply treat yourself with a little online shopping spree. Okay, then earn without compromising security. Now, yes, you're going to earn without compromising security. Your data is not going to be exposed to anybody, or your storage is not going to be exposed to it. So let's see what we have there. Honeygain ensures that your internet traffic is only used by trusted partner. Your internet traffic is only used by trusted partner, and the app never asks for or gain access to the storage of your phone or your device. All right, know exactly what your internet is used for. Once you start using Honeygain, your device act like virtuals and help world famous businesses access the world wide web without having to worry about location based restriction or censorship. So that is how it works. All right, okay, you can read more on it. So okay, it's simple and easy to use app. Just install it on your phone and turn it on, and all it's sheer internet. It's share what is going around internet to people that need it more. So you understand what I'm saying? So estimate your earnings. Your earnings directly depend on the amount of traffic you share with Honeygain network. The more you share, the more you earn. You are not necessarily have to be sharing, pressing the button. It automatically the app does everything automatically. All right, so let's see if this app work daily content delivery. If you work for 4 hours every day, okay, if it works for 4 hours every day, you are going to be making like $15 every month. If it works like 8 hours every day, you're gonna be making 8 hours every day. It's still 19 every month. If you work for 12 hours every day, you're gonna be making like 20. If you work for 16 hours, you're gonna be making like 21. 22 hours, you're gonna be making like 22. Then 24 hours, the same price. All right. So let's go down. So let's go from here. Then factor that influence how much you earn, your location. Your earning depends on the traffic demand required for your business clients, as well as the number of user in your area. Okay, the number of IP addresses. All right, the more IP addresses your device are connected to, the more you can earn. All right. So a network ping speed. To hit the sweet spot, aim for a speed of 50 Mbps and ping of 50 minutes. For more detail, feel free to refer to our app page. 5 steps to Honeygain. Number 1, set it up. Honeygain can be installed on any devices. Yes, Windows, Mac, Nylons, then iOS or Android device with a stable internet connection. All right, to run Honeygain. Once active, Honeygain securely shares your internet connection. Never gain access to your personal data. All right, securely share your internet connection. Let it gather. Honeygain uses your internet connection to gather bits of information that publicly available online. All right. Number 4, help businesses. Credible companies use this data for web statistics, price comparison, and other verified business processes. Get paid. Okay, user earn more for all the traffic they share and can choose to receive payout in PayPal or crypto. Sweet. All right, so that's all about Honeygain. Just get it on your phone and you start using. So I've downloaded it. Go to your Apple Store, go to your Play Store, download it on your phone, and let's go. So I've just downloaded it on my iPhone. I have it on my Android. So I'm gonna click on it right here. Okay, I'm gonna click on it. What I want to do right now, I want to click on this login right here. But if you don't have an account, you have to sign up. All right, you have to sign up. So how do you sign up on this account? For you to sign up, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box of this video. Just click the link to sign up. Description box or the description box of my video. Just click on the name, on the title. Click on the title of the video. You can see the title of the video. All right. Click on it. So when you click on it, you're gonna see the link right here. Click on it. When you click on the link, it takes you to where you're gonna sign up. All right, so I'm gonna click on it right now. So you're going to see something like this. So what you need to do when you see something like this, just click on register to claim $5. Click on it. So when you click on register to claim $5, it's going to bring up where to fill your name and all. So when you have it, put in your email here. Let's see, I'm going to do this. Okay, should be the one. So you're gonna put your password. All right. After you've done that, then click on this one that says sign up. So when you sign up, you will see something like this. This is a $5 given to you. All right. So that's all you need to do. You can see it has started working. So you can click here to download the app on your phone. Because I'm using an iPhone, that's why you say I should download it on my phone. So click on it to download it on your phone. Let's log into my account. All right, so after which you've log into your account. After which you've registered, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get something like this. So far so good. I've been able to make how much is that? I've been able to make $7. All right, $7. So far so good. $7 has been able to make $7. So for you to withdraw your money is very simple, very simple. This threshold is $20. Once you have $20, you'll be able to withdraw the money automatically. There's no story. Okay, so this is a very nice platform for you to make money. At least you can start now. Install the app. Just install the app on your phone, and that's all. Another thing to get more money faster is when you this thing, I've already clicked it today. That's why you've seen it like this. Next port available in 6 hours 6 minutes 40 something seconds. Okay, when you see the port, you just click on it. Once you click on the port and say add, that's all, for you to gain more money. Gain more traffic. So if you're here to subscribe to my channel, hello boss, this is how to subscribe to my channel. First thing, click on this red button that says subscribe. When you do that, it's going to tell you subscribed. So there's a button beside it like a bell. Click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see none, personalized, and all. Click on all. Then to further help my channel, you give this video a like so that more people can see it by clicking on this 19 and make it 20. So please like this video, share this video, and I will see you in my next video.